Now we study about the third property, metallic and non-metallic properties. Okay, third property is what? Metallic and non-metallic properties. In our table we have 118 elements have discovered, and each element has some characteristic properties which are used to classify them into two groups, metals and non-metals. So in our periodic table we have the metals and non-metals. Okay, we have the metals and non-metals. So this color are called metals and this is non-metals. Okay, so all these are what? All these are the metals, and all these are what? These are the non-metals. Now metals and non-metals are separated by like zigzag. Zigzag means like this, na? Zigzag means like this. Yes, zigzag. So here zigzag manner, that means like this coming and like this and like this. So in zigzag manner. Now these are called as a white color, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 7 elements are called as a metalloids. Okay, metalloids means what? Metalloids, or they are called also as a semi-metal. Semi means half, na? Semi-metals or semi-non-metals. That means they have the properties of metals and also non-metals. Okay, that's why they are called as a metalloids or semi-metals. And these metals and non-metals are separated by the metalloids, which are in the zigzag manner. Okay, so here now we see metallic and non-metallic properties. Okay, so the difference between the metals and non-metals. Don't worry about this white color one. Okay, so we study about the periodic table. We find metals left side and non-metals right side. Okay, so don't worry about this red color and all. This and all what is back side is showing. Now we just see the about only black color. Metals lose electrons to form positive ions. Okay, so in 9th class we studied about the covalent bonds. Okay, so which share and accept electrons to fill their octet. Octet means 8. To fill the outermost shell to keep 8 electrons, they lose or accept the electrons. Okay, metals means metal lose electrons to form positive ions. So non-metals means non-metals accept electrons to form negative ions are called non-metals. Okay, so when we are moving down a group, metallic character increases and non-metallic character decreases. And from going left to right in a period, metallic character decreases and non-metallic character increases. Okay, so why this one will be happening? Now you see here, on moving down a group, metallic character increases and non-metallic character decreases, because when we are moving down a group, fully metals only is there. Okay, no non-metals are there. That is why on moving down a group, metallic character increases, non-metallic character decreases. But going from left to right in a period, metallic character decreases and non-metallic character increases. Because when we are going from left to right in a period, what is there? Non-metals are there. That is why metallic character decreases and non-metallic character increases. Okay, this is the important difference. And then why here one example I have given. Now calcium is the metal. Okay, so which is the calcium? Where is the calcium? See, this is the metal, na? Calcium is the metal. And another example I took oxygen. So here oxygen, you see, it is the non-metal. So this symbol, na, non-metal. Okay, oxygen is the non-metal. Okay, so here metals, now configuration is what? 20. So 2, 8, 8, 2. Outermost shell only it has the 2 electrons. When we see oxygen, 2, 6. So outermost electrons we have 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, na? 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, 6. Okay, 5 and 6 it is there. So now to fill there, it need only 2 electrons to fill the outermost shell. only here 6 are there, it is not completed. It here outermost only 2 are there, it is also not completed. So calcium is donating 2 electrons to oxygen so that oxygen can fill the octet. Okay, oxygen can fill the octet, so it can get 8 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it will be losing this one. So metals will be losing the electrons and they form a positive charge, and non-metals will be acceptor. They accept the electrons and they form a negative charge. Okay, now you see here calcium 282, so it lost the 2, so 288. So outermost shell is octet filled and oxygen also filled. Calcium loses the electrons to form a positive charge, it is a donor, and oxygen metal is a non-metal. Non-metal accepts the electrons and form a negative charge, and it is a acceptor. Okay, so this is the relationship between the metals and the non-metals. Okay, thank you.